Umegwe. Umeme apu. Hey brother. You see what the apple? Umeme apu. Umiaya. Wo moto are chayara efo gwabare na moto. Wo. Kibira kitibi godame wela. Ana ri moto chibadena. Wo. Ah ya. Umeme apu. Umeme apu. Emo everywhere obo.
Everybody yona ela Irako is into this area. So Irako ero zuwo everywhere. Emiti fira wagolore odame ana inabe. He said adesi tenisi Irako kona otovo. Mina ke Fulani de Irako gi odame la gi Irako. Bango tomalana. And Ekpa Gbemoya or Attäck, Igbo Asikbeli Ane, Abikbeli, or Asikbeli Sene. So, Ewa Yoko Fu Bimili Keke, Bima, Hero or Bari. Ari Econic Semala, Gelumi, a destroyer, Idiala, ya. Agwala, Nature, Tori, Ikikachiori, Ugijetu, Emina, Agbedela, Be Utoitsa, Idikalo, Tony Sema. So, you look out, Louis, Uguaniti Be. Kia ko gwani sebe so ila nakpo egbe afunore wo agwe so malele imali ngbe government le pa ma ogo government le ka yele ma ya iwa ewi me na ka senator Adam Soshomon le ka yele ma ya ewi Gani Akofia honorable Gani Akofia House of Assembly member representing constituency 2 le ka yele ma ya ni governor His Excellency Noha Yele Maya, governor of the state, Edo State, Monday Okpewolo. Waha Yele Maya, because Ima Rewa Kanewa protect life, like properties nisi on the state. So Egbe Afunomare Bie Lana Egbe Afunore Bie. Egbe Afunore Kiyereku Odame Ima Nakwa Odame Kwavio Viawela, Usa Eroko Udame Eroko Yereku. So Amo.
All right, thanks for joining me in this video. You see, this is the midnight of 29th day of April 2025. And as you can see, in Esako, Edo North Senatorial District to be precise, the Fulani terrorists are attacking. And the information getting to us at the moment of filing this report is that they are carrying out reprisal attack of what happened before, okay? Now, when this incident happened, I just pray Nigeria will learn, okay? When this incident happened, the Edo State Governor, Monday Okpebolo, he traveled to Kanu to meet the government to appease the people so that they will be calm. I made up to 5 videos about the attack, okay? And I told people that time that forget about what you are seeing now. Even though the governor traveled to Kanu 100 times, that will not stop these people not to carry out a reprisal attack. In fact, what the governor did and encouraged people that he has initiated peace, we also weaken the people. And now, the reason why I said I pray Nigerians will learn is because in Ebonyi State, it's just like what is beginning to happen in Edo State now, okay? In Ebonyi State, there was an issue, the farmers and people who are using their cattle to, finish their crops as usual. And it was a little issue. I don't know what transpired again. Then there was a tension in Ebonyi State, and the military police and deputy governor, according to what they told us, came to tell them that they have resolved the issue, that nothing is going to happen any longer. But it was a very bad thing that after these people left the Fulani terrorists, okay, they came and burned 30 houses. They killed up to 36 persons on that fateful Sunday when people have gone to church. So this thing is just in the beginning, okay? I don't think this will be the end. The reprisal attack is going to continue. It is only one language that these people understand. If they come to attack you, attack them. If they come to kill you, kill them. Any measure of violence they bring to you, give it back to them. That is the universal law of self-defense. Okay? Look at the time of the night they came to attack people. But they are messing with the wrong people, because I have so much confidence on Edo people. I have so much confidence on their security men. I have so much confidence as the people collectively. I have confidence in them that they don't tolerate shit. You see, ever since the mob attack happened on Uromi, there have been series of trucks that has been intercepted in Edo State, okay? Always follow me, because I bring the whole security updates to you and I tell you what will happen. So the last one they intercepted, I told them. Police was saying that, oh, it's a misinformation that the people they intercepted are still hunters. Come on, hunters again. I told you people, these are not hunters. Hunters going to Lodge Hotel? What kind of animals are they going to kill? I said no. Those State people did well by intercepting those terrorists they call hunter after the mob attack. This is not before the mob attack that happened in Uromi. Then what happened again? This is 2 weeks after that, meaning others have succeeded to enter inside the town. They settled down. They did their calculation before they strike. You know, I told you people that security-wise, okay, once you see people entering your community, they spend 2 to 3 weeks to attack. I told you that. Save it. When you see a truck of unidentified people stopping nearby your community, nearby your village, know that they will be attacked in 2 to 3 weeks' time. This thing started happening. I started monitoring this, and I know that this is their strategy. They attack within 2 to 3 weeks. So it's unfortunate that look at the time of the night that these people have attacked. The casualties, I don't really know as at the time of finding this report. This is just a breaking news. Okay, I have not. Tomorrow now we are going to have the number of casualties and so on and so forth. But you saw in that video, they are using timber to evacuate from their ancestral homes. Come on. If it is in the day, believe me, Edo people are not cowards. They will finish them. They knew this is a very smart, calculated attempt. And let me tell you, our security agencies in Nigeria should be very careful. Okay? They should be very careful. Because the people will rise. No matter how long it will take. The people are going to rise. And it's going to be a pattern. It's going to be a very dangerous thing. Don't say I did not tell you people. Any security agents that is colluding with the armed bandits to commit ethnic cleansing or terrorize the people, if the people realize you have yourself to blame, that time your gun will not save you. Nothing will save you, because you collude with terrorists. That is treason to kill the people. So the people of Esako, you people should rise up, okay? You people should rise up. And I encourage their people in diaspora. They have a lot of people in diaspora. I don't think there is any family you will enter, you will not have someone in diaspora. I'm saying this about the people in diaspora because I know Nigeria is hard now. So people in diaspora should mobilize to support their local vigilantes as a matter of urgency. Their guns has been taken away from them. And everything I said about this is just coming to pass. Okay? We have been following security reports in Nigeria. We know when things are about to happen, and we tell you. We are living in a dangerous time in Nigeria, and the best way to deal with a dangerous period is for you to be dangerous yourself. Yeah, if you are weak, dangerous time will eat you up. Like those who are Christians, there is something that Jesus said that right from the days of the John the Baptist, that the kingdom of heaven suffered violence, and those who took it by force took it through violence. You can't survive in Nigeria if you are not violent. You can't survive in Nigeria if you are not rugged. You can't survive in Nigeria if you are just coward. Nigeria is not for the coward. Rise up and fight for yourself.